Hi, Purple.
Hi, Green.
What are we gonna do? I'm kind of bored.
Me too.
Do you have any thoughts? What should we do?
Oh, I have an idea.
Yeah.
We could go jump.
Jump? Where? In the water? I don't want to jump in the water.
No, not in the water, in the sand.
Oh, I like sand. Sandy games. Let's go.
Let's go. I would.
What do you guys want to do?
We want to jump.
We want to go play.
Yeah.
Okay, come inside.
Okay.
Perfect.
Oh my God, where's my friends? I can't see them anymore. They are lost. Hi, consisting vehicles.
Hi, what happened?
My friends went jumping in sand. Now they're deep in the sand. Can you please help me?
Don't worry, my friend.
We got this. Let's go, guys.
Okay, I will wait and watch.
Okay. What color was your friend?
There was green and purple.
Okay. I think I see them.
Do you see green?
Yes. Let's get him out, guys.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go.
I think he was somewhere here in this area.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go there.
Oh, I feel something hard.
Feel something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look.
Is that him?
Yeah. Do you see green?
Is that him?
Yeah.
Let's get him out, guys. Yay, he's out.
Now one more. And he was in this area.
I don't see him.
Is that him?
I think yes.
Let's get this guy out.
Look.
Come on, teamwork. Be careful. Construction site next time, guys.
No silly games.
Sorry, next time we're going to be more careful. Yes, next time we're going to play with water, not with sand.
Water. I hate water.
Water is more fun.
Yeah.
Water is more fun.
Okay.
Or you're going to be dirty on
All right,
on
let's
sand.
go.
Let's go play somewhere else.